Alright, question 20. A sequence of functions f1, f2, f3, blah blah, is defined by f1 of x being the absolute value of x, fn plus 1x equals to the absolute values of fnx plus x for n greater than or equal to 1, and I want to find the value of the integral from -1 to 1 of f99x dx. Okay, so integration, right? An integration of a dodgy function, it must be the area under the curve, right? There's no way that you're going to directly integrate this. Okay, so let's have a think. What is f99 first of all, right? What is f99? Okay, so if you think about it, there's so many absolute value signs, right? f99 has 99 absolute value signs, right? Okay, so instead of actually thinking of what the representation of it is, let's just draw a graph of it. Yeah, let's just draw a graph of it. Okay, so let's start from f1. f1 is easy to draw, right? f1 is just the absolute value of x. So like this. Good. Okay, how about f2? What is f2? f2 is absolute value of x plus x. Good. Okay, so because this is an absolute value function, right? So I'm going to consider x being positive and x being negative. Okay, so if x is positive, say, if x is positive, what do I have? This is just 2x, right? If x is positive, x positive, then this is 2x simply, right? Simply 2x, so ta-da. Good. What if x is negative? Then this is simply 0, right? Because the x is cancelled then. Right? So flat line here. So that is my f2. All right. Good. Okay. So, why is this help thing popping up? Okay. All right. So next thing then is my f3. So where is my f3 now? Okay. So, why is this offset? Let me try to fix this first. All right. Let me pause the video for a bit. 1 sec. All right. All right, good. We're back. Okay, so how does F3 look like then? So F3, oh God, come on, behave. Oh, God's sake. All right, hope it works this time. So F3, okay, F3 is what? F3 is equal to absolute value of F2 plus x. Good. Okay, so if x is positive, then this will become 2x plus x, which is 3x, right? So right-hand side becomes y equals to 3x. Good. How about left-hand side? So when x is negative, then f2 of x, this part is 0, right? So then you get the absolute value of x. So f3 is again overlapping with the f1, like this. Yep, so the green curve is f3. Good. Okay, so at this point, you can probably spot some sort of a pattern going on, right? There's some sort of pattern going on. The right-hand side, just going to go x, 2x, 3x, 4x, 5x, and so on, right? How about the left-hand side? The left-hand side, if you're talking about like f of an odd number, then it's just going to be the absolute value of x, right? Whereas if you're talking about an even number, it's just going to be the 0 function, right? You can prove this for yourself by checking, for example, f4, say. Okay, actually, I used a very bad notation. Why did I use this notation? I didn't mean f2, right? f2 of x, I meant, of course. Right, and here, same thing, not f3. This is f3 of x, of course. All right, excuse my poor notation there. Good. Okay, so so now let's figure out what f99 looks like, right? So on the right-hand side, okay, let me redraw this graph now. I'm going to draw f99. So y equals 99x, right, as I said. And then this is an odd number, so the other side will look like this. Y equals negative x. Yeah? Good. Okay, I want the area from -1 to 1. So these are just two triangles. Yeah? So this triangle is a half times 1 times 1, half base times height. Same thing here, half times base times height, which is 99, yeah, because 99 times 1 is 99. So final answer would be 1/2 plus 99 over 2, which is 100 over 2, which is exactly 50. Cool, so final answer would be E. There we are.